What's up guys and welcome to Awesome Ventures. Me and my family are going to be embarking on a boating trip across a river here in Pampanga using this kayak. It's gonna be lots of fun, so grab your gear and come along with us. In our last episode, part 1 of this adventure, we were in a bit of a predicament as the floodgate which we needed to pass through was closed. Luckily, you made the right decision to try and find a way to the other side. We are not giving up.
Someone helped us carry the kayak up and over the road on the riverbank.
Whoa, look at that. Out into the open. Go near the right side. Go near it.
Kayaking isn't easy, so now it's snack time.
Yeah, I don't think we understood each other either.
Shark is a possibility.
Yup, you heard that right. Sharks. Though it is unlikely to come across one, juvenile sharks have been seen in these waters.
Almost home. Almost home, guys.
This looks kind of familiar
After,
to this part.
How long did it take us?
I don't know.
It's
2 hours? Yeah. Time is but blur.
yeah. So
Yeah.
we left around, what time did we leave? 2:30?
Just around
So 2 hours. We went whole round, and here we go. That's here we go.
Back!
We're back. Woo!
Back! Yes!
There you go.
And then up and over there, it's our rest stop. We made it back to civilization, people. We made it back! After about 2 hours, we were finally achieving a full loop around the river.
That's
Here
here we go.
Back!
We're back. Woo!
Back! Yes!
There you go.
And then up and over there, it's our rest stop. We made it back to civilization, people. We made it back!
Civilization. Civilization. Here you can jump.
Let's jump! Victory jump!
Victory jump!
Wait.
Whoa!
Maybe there. A little bit there. Okay.
Time for a victory jump. This is the victory jump!
It's gonna go faster.
Come.
And yeah, I can feel the bottom.
You can feel the bottom?
Huh?
Come, let's go. Jump, Isabel.
I don't want to jump. I just said I'm just gonna go.
Come here, Ashwa.
My mouth.
Come back. There's
And we have
What?
go the other side. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Philippians 4:13. What does it mean? It's in the boat.
I can do something. Christ is strengthened.
But look, it's in the boat. It's on the boat.
Oh, perfect.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That's Philippians 4 verse 13.
Yes. We made it from Canada to Asia
And back.
and back. Yeah. Bring it up. Bring it up. Oh. Okay, go. Garrett, Isabel, you can put it here. And then carry there. Carry the other side. Help Kuya. Careful with the nails, okay? Careful with the nails. Okay, carry it. Yeah. Isabel, pull it with Kuya. Okay, left. Left side. Okay. Woo. Okay. Put down. Okay.
Wow, that certainly was an awesome venture. You know, I for one had a lot of fun with my family kayaking across the river and getting back to civilization. I hope you had a fun time watching this too. It was really fun on our kayak. It took us about 2.5 hours to get through it all, but it was certainly worth it and it was really fun too. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like that button, hit the bell icon to get notified, and subscribe because it helps our channel a whole lot, and I think it'll help you too to get notified.